Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Gmail on the SMTP server step by step. It's actually very quick and simple. So if you want to send emails through your own applications or servers, let's begin. First, open your Chrome browser, then click over here on your profile icon, manage your Google account, then go to Security tab. Make sure two-step verification is enabled because you will need it for the next few steps. Next, I want you to go to the search bar over here, type app passwords, and then open the very first search result over here. And over here, under app name, type in SMTP. Then click on create. Now we're going to open a SMTP tool so we can easily test this. And over here, we're going to enter under the server smtp.gmail.com port 465 security SSL. Under username, it should be your full Gmail address. Same from the email address and to address. The password will be the password that we just created earlier. Make sure to paste it over here. And then once done, click on Start Test. If everything is set up correctly, you'll get a confirmation email from Gmail letting you know everything worked. So here's mine, and here is the email that I received just now. That's it. You have now successfully set up Gmail on an SMTP server. I hope you found this video very helpful.